our daily lives, we're all used to taking pictures, and in the specialty of dermatology, having a picture of the problem can mean you get a speedier diagnosis, reassurance and advice, or get treatment delivered more quickly. The picture, if digital, is even more valuable, and in some areas is used in over 90% of all new referrals into dermatology, resulting in the ability to manage the referral consistently and effectively use the available resources. This technology-enabled approach to redesign for the benefit of patients has the potential to revolutionise the delivery of healthcare, and within Scottish Dermatology Services, the support for a digital dermatology platform is unanimous. As a result, we are actively developing the case that demonstrates the value this would bring if enabled and adopted across all of NHS Scotland.
If you haven't heard of dermatology before, it's the specialty that looks after the skin. So as you can imagine, it's a very busy and very varied specialty with lots of conditions that cause inflammation in the skin, but also increasingly diagnosis and management of skin cancer patients. Even before the pandemic, dermatology had an increasing volume of referrals and staffing shortages, which had been placing great pressure on our service. This has obviously become worse during the pandemic. What some services did find prior to the pandemic, and many dermatologists have found during the pandemic, is that a good quality clinical image can make a difference in terms of how we're able to manage, prioritise our referrals, but also offer advice and reassurance. In the same way as you might struggle to buy a house or buy a car based purely on written text, it's very difficult for us to make decisions purely on the written word. Given how many digital images are available now, it sounds like it should be very easy, but we have important considerations. This is a patient identifiable data, and we have to ensure that it's captured, transferred and stored securely, and that is something that's been very variable across Scotland. The purpose of the digital dermatology pathway is to allow us to have these images so that dermatologists can manage our patients more effectively, but at the same time these images can be stored safely and securely. Dermatology isn't the only specialty who might benefit from clinical images, and once we've developed this pathway, we would anticipate that other services might also be able to benefit from the use of clinical images in referrals and patient care.
Dermatology conditions are common to see in general practice, and referrals at times are also required. Referrals are significantly enhanced when accompanied by high quality photographs. Occasionally, practices have the processes, skills and equipment to send high quality photographs. However, this isn't commonplace, and at times the governance, training and logistical issues to get high quality images alongside a referral can be very challenging despite our best efforts. This can be a common problem across Scotland faced by every general practice. In a new digital dermatology pathway, we will be looking to ensure that all images captured in primary care can be as high quality as possible, and where used for a referral, can allow a dermatologist to apply their expertise to the image to give the most accurate diagnosis. This in turn will reduce waiting times, shorten the time to a definitive diagnosis for a patient, and increase the governance around capturing of images, in particular in regards to consent and the storage of images. We will look to ensure that the journey of the patient is as seamless as it can be without placing extra burden on the practices.
Through ANYA, we will develop a value case for digital dermatology. We hope that not only will this give us the funding, but also enable us to move forward with information governance, with procurement, with technical integrations, and also to develop a change package, including the training that staff would need to use the system. And we hope to do all of this on a Once for Scotland basis to maximise our chance of success, so that all patients in Scotland can benefit from a digital dermatology pathway, no matter where they live.